If you forgot your Gmail password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Gmail password step by step, even if you can't remember the old one. This is a simple recovery process that can help you get back into your account using a verification code, a recovery email, or a Google prompt on a signed-in device. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin if you've forgotten your Gmail password. Once the page loads, enter the Gmail address for the account you want to recover, then click Next. On the next screen, Google will ask for your password. Since you forgot it, look for the option that says Try another way and click it. This is the key step that lets you use a different recovery method instead of the old password. Now, Google will offer one or more verification methods depending on what recovery options are linked to your account. You may be able to receive a verification code to your phone number, use your recovery email, or approve a Google prompt on a device where you're already signed in. Choose whichever option is available to you and follow the instructions carefully. If you get a code on your phone or recovery email, enter it exactly as shown. If you receive a Google prompt on another device, open that device and approve the sign-in request. This confirms that you are the account owner and lets Google move you to the next step. After your identity is verified, Google will take you to the password reset screen. Here, enter your new password. Make sure it's something strong, secure, and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. Then confirm the new password in the second box. Once both passwords match, click Save. Google will update your Gmail password immediately, and you should now be able to sign back into your account with the new password. That's it. You've successfully reset your Gmail password after forgetting it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, computer tips, and account recovery guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.